That whole thing there with father and say, oh, you have baby when you're 15 and all them thing they like. How you did respond to people and what them did I say during them time?
Well, at the time that was an internet frenzy, but
Hey.
I can't answer that question because I'm not a father. So I can't answer that question.
Not a father?
Not a father.
So the baby is not yours?
What the hell?
Welcome guys, so Likkle Vybz, that are Vybz Kartel son, open up about, you know, the him baby mother not, you know, the baby not being it. So make us listen.
You did under much scrutiny when, you see me, that whole thing there with father and say, oh, you have baby when you're 15 and all them thing they like. How you did respond to people and what them did I say during them time?
Well, at the time that was an internet frenzy, but
Hey.
I can't answer that question because I'm not a father. So I can't answer that question.
Not a father?
Not a father.
So the baby is not yours?
What the hell? Wait.
Yeah, I'm confused over it. Yeah. Could I seriously say,
well, I just confirm it.
oh, okay.
Oh yeah, look for.
If come here, say we miss them never.
I said, where did I miss that? Yeah. Okay.
I didn't know that.
Yeah, we never know that. Yeah. Okay.
No, it's good though.
Yeah.
Good, though. Just make the people them know now because people still ask me.
Yeah.
So, but yeah, good. So confirm it.
So what, you had to do a DNA test? Like, was there any doubt in your mind initially? So you had to do a DNA test to confirm?
Well, me post the picture on Instagram, but cause at the time, well, I did elated at the time.
And your father reposted, enough people reposted.
Yeah, but that was just me at the time. But I'm not feeling no way about it. Live on, learn every day. So I know me at the first. I'm not gonna be the last. So
So when was that confirmed?
Do the DNA.
Like how long ago?
How long ago? Yeah.
Time frame.
Good while, I remember.
Oh.
I remember about that. Remember.
It's news to me, so I'm sorry. Let me process that because I didn't know. Okay.
So
okay.
you're just my uncle then. Oh, okay. That's still was a responsibility still out of you're still a young uncle.
Yeah, man, watch my brother.
Yeah.
And him girlfriend, them are great parents. So I just when on my time for our child, you can just do the same thing with him, which is take care of him child.
You still working on it?
He looks at her. She the only one can work for it for real, sir.
No, it take two. You know what I mean? It take two.
Yeah, it take really one. So wait, so you ever thought of like writing that in your songs or something?
Like the
it's like
issues
woman are wicked.
Being involved with that, yeah.
Woman are wicked and trash and that.
No, I never did write a song about not just in the gallery.
Yeah.
Bashing sense.
You see that? I just move on, right?
But we're sure that pen song at least talking about what you
write a song, yeah.
What go on with internally.
Song move on, man.
Yeah.
Right, you know, me have to move. Yeah, but that never get for post on YouTube still. That would
Okay.
You find the girls try chop, you know?
Yes, that's what I was wondering too. Like, yeah.
Well, we're not dummy, you know, so we know for.
So how you sift? How you figure out like which girl is worth
Real
the time and not
yeah.
worth the time?
I don't really worth time, and you know, say you want to spend your time with every girl you go through. So I like say something where you really sit down and say, yo, she worth my time, you know. But when the right person forward them, just forward, you know, and things happen.
So how you know that they're the right person? That's
you know.
Yeah.
You know when you get to spend more quality time together and understand each other more, you know.
Yeah, because I mean everybody, I'm sure more girl would be flocking to, you know, and you know, say, yeah, wanna be Vybz Kartel.
Yeah, man, from a long time, you know, but we used to that still, you know. From a long time. Long time. You know, I'm 19, you know, I'm still young. You see it, so I'm so we used to that. So as and I like say, you know, yeah, go through life and I say, John, no, I wonder if she work my time. You see it. You see it. Right now, me at the catch too. So, you know. But at the end of the day,
You're a high value
when
man.
When they find the right person, you just find them still as it.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, you think you found that right person?
Yeah. Yes.
So people you don't know last time Vinch, break silence, him and Rosh, separate and break up. You see me so Rush forward out, and explain for your side. So it, you don't know, it evident and it confirmed.
I mean, yeah, so you don't know which are the best man, which are happiness. Don't know me good. You understand? Because me is a youth easy to accept things, you know what I mean? Easy to accept things, and quicker you accept things, are the better for you. You know what I mean? No matter saying something, man, then you sit down and live in a denial. You have to just come to terms quick and fast and know, say, alright, a reality. Move on. Fastest way possible, you know what I mean? The quicker you move on, the better for you. You understand, guys? So, yeah. That's it. You know what I mean? So, you don't know. Final and closing. As I said earlier, this channel will still be great. Okay, you know what I mean? This is very creative, very talented. So in the bad way they do over here, so for the sake of Rosh, you know what I mean, and Rosh only. Feel free to unsubscribe if you want to do that. If you want to continue subscribe and continue support the movement, that's great. You understand? The Rush fan, the Vinch supported them, genuine the Vinch supported them over as for Vinch and Vinch only. It's because of his stay. You know what I mean? Naturally. It's because of the continue support the movement. But in the bad way feel like say, yo, because there is no more problem with Vinch and if you want to move on, you want to unsubscribe, you want to stop at this channel, no problem with me, you know what I mean? If you want to continue, no problem with me either. What the situation is, what it is, you know what I mean? You know, it can't change, so I don't want nobody to text and I say, yo, fix things, really. No, you cannot fix them. You see me? You cannot. You know what I mean? I realize, please, genuinely, I tell you, don't give no hopes up. Listen to me. Me move on, she move on, that's that. You see me? When you just move on from the whole Vinch and much idea to just accept, say, yo, that's it, concerning the whole of the movement. You see me? What you don't know, Vinch, this channel will carry on, say, and in time to come now, so I thought we see nothing really change. You know what I mean? As me say, just I did a video for you. You see, the whole more video afterwards. You know what I mean? Big up on yourself, you don't know. Joe Vinch and support that. Love when I say they are respect, you know what I mean? Continue.
Alright guys, so whatever when I hear Vince say in the video is exactly what happened. So this is not a prank. The reason why I decided to build a video is because I know a lot of you guys support us from day one, and as you can see on the main channel we don't really hide anything from you, because we could have done like other YouTubers, we just break up and then don't tell you anything, and then we just probably speculate whatever we want to speculate. So it is not a prank, it is reality. But I don't know, I have to come forward and talk my side of the story. But whatever happened, I will not be talking about that, because that is confidential between me and Vinch. I don't want nobody no explanation, so therefore I will not come on here and explaining nothing to nobody. So whatever you want to think, just know that there is no longer Vinch and Rush, and the sooner you guys accept that, it's the better. Yeah. So whoever feel away, I understand, so yes, you're not going to feel away, because a lot of people were looking forward to a lot of great videos that was in the process of making, but unfortunately that is not the case anymore. So guys, I'm expecting you all to look out for more videos from me, because I'll be posting on this channel. Yeah, I'll be posting videos about me and my daughter, and yeah, I'll be doing vlogs as well as other videos. So feel free to leave your comments down in the comment section Yeah, but as I say, this is not a prank, and me not have them time and energy there to come and hear and you know really and truly I mess with people head and tell them say a prank. I understand say like we do about 2 videos already say like we break up, which was a prank, but in this case it is not a prank. Yeah, so that's it for now.